What's up, traders? This is how I got smoked trading Tesla today. I got smoked. We got blown out the water. So we're going to go over it. You can see my P&L over here, negative $1,200. Pretty simple. I traded shit, put it plainly. And sometimes we're going to get days like that, and that's okay. Okay, so let's get into it. I actually started off the day pretty nicely. So let's just come over here. Let's just come to my DAX positions. I actually traded pretty nicely on the DAX. I had it a nice winning trade. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. You can actually see, right? Again, edge-fall statistics. Let's actually bring them. Let's move my screen like this. You guys can see it a little bit more clearly, right? Using edge-fall statistics over here, if we come here to edge-fall, going to futures, and then we go to FDAX, right? A lot of guys like trading futures on the DAX. So one here. We can actually see, if I go to my favorite section, okay, previous day's range, we took out the previous day's highs. Now, Austin and I were actually chatting about how maybe I could have traded this a little bit better. I could have maybe waited for the break of the highs I actually anticipated, which would, as Austin mentioned, probably not good, because if it rejects it and comes back down, I'm going to be like, what the hell? Why did I take it? So a little bit of a non-following rules there, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys can actually relate to that. And these are sometimes these losing days have to happen because we simply have to learn from our losses. So go check edge-fall out. Even times when we have losing days, I'm still using them in my trading. Not every single day you're going to make money, because we're humans. We're going to make errors. We're going to make mistakes. But FDAX, nice trade in the morning. This is what happened though on Tesla. Okay, so this is where the bad stuff comes. You can actually see Bitcoin down 5% today. So a lot of the equity is taking a little bit of a dive. But yeah, I tried to trade Tesla to the high side. Let's just go to the 5-minute time frame. We were into the open, and this is maybe something where I need to wait for the first 30 minutes of the open to actually play out. And I don't know why it's not showing it now. Did I delete it by accident? I might have deleted it by accident. Well, that's nice. Brilliant. Okay, we're going to have to ride with it. Okay, so I actually took a long position here on the 5-minute time frame, like this. Boom, like that, right? And I got smoked, ended up coming down against me, and that led obviously to the negative P&L. I actually traded this a little bit more heavier than the DAX, as you can see down on the day, and pretty bleak. We took out, the reason I did like it is we were respecting this 400 level, 402 previous day's lows. As you can see, this white dotted line was previous day's lows of here. And I thought, okay, we could be seeing a little bit of a bounce here. Was not to be. We respected pre-market highs, started their highs, and continued to fall off. And actually, if I just waited for the first 30 minutes of the open, I would have probably been looking to short it over here. So pretty poor. There you go. Now it's loading. Okay, there we go. Now it's loading. Okay, so it wasn't me. I didn't delete it. It was it needed to be loaded. Okay, so pretty poor. If I waited for that first 30 minutes, which sometimes my data tells me I actually need to wait for that first 30 minutes of the open before looking for plays, I would have had a nice, probably shorting position here, but as we break previous day's lows. And something interesting is from my playbook, a lot of my trades, so I've got the previous day's high and previous day's lows play. As you guys have seen me use that previous day's range report with edge-fall. Okay, and as you can see, my previous day's lows longs are not as good as my previous day's highs longs. Why? Because we obviously would be trading with trend compared to against it. Same as the previous day's lows short, trading with the trend compared to the previous day's lows longs. So yeah, just not great here. But sometimes we got to take the good with the bad, and that's why I'm here doing my daily report card, because not everyone's perfect, right? So if you want to come watch me trade live, watch real traders share real results, ASFX TV is the place to be. You can see there's my P&L in the section there. Tuesday, 7th of Jan, negative $1,900. So that's a day, not the prettiest, not the best, but we got lessons to learn from. Go check edge-fall out. The link is in my bio. ASFX TV. Watch me trade live every single week. And we actually had some good discussions about this loss. Austin and Evan gave me some great topics to discuss, which I need to fill out, using the previous day's highs for longs and previous day's lows for shorts, not the previous day's lows for longs, and vice versa. So I think there's some really, really good constructive criticism here. And if you can't take constructive criticism in this game, you're just not going to improve. So I hope you can take something from my lessons and adapt it to your trading as well. Go check edge-fall out, ASFX TV, link in my bio, and we'll check you guys there. Cheers, everyone.